It's the cultural kids.
A is for Argentina, sunny skies and cheer. Buenos Aires is the capital, it's very near. E is for Brazil, dancing to the beat. Brasilia's the capital, isn't that neat? T is for Canada, so snowy and white. Ottawa's the capital, where moose may hide. D is for Denmark, where Vikings once sailed. Copenhagen's the capital, where stories are hailed. E is for Egypt, pyramids in the sand. Cairo is the capital, a golden land. F is for France, with the Eiffel so high. Paris is the capital, beneath the sky. G is for Germany, clocks that chime. Berlin is the capital, right on time. Right on time, right on time. H is for Hungary, with bridges so wide. Budapest is the capital, by the riverside. I is for India, with colors so grand. New Delhi is the capital, in this magical land. J is for Japan, with blossoms so pink. Tokyo is the capital, what do you think? K is for Kenya, with giraffes so tall. Nairobi's the capital, come one, come all. L is for Laos, with lanterns so bright. Vientiane is the capital, glowing at night. M is for Mexico, with tacos and sun. Mexico City's the capital, fun. N is for Nigeria, with drums that play. Abuja is the capital, hooray! Hooray! O is for Oman, with dunes so wide. Muscat is the capital, where camels ride. P is for Peru, with mountains so high. Lima is the capital, near the sky. Q is for Qatar, with towers so new. Doha is the capital, with the sea view. R is for Rwanda, so green and bright. Kigali is the capital, full of light. S is for Spain, with castles so grand. Madrid is the capital, across thin load. U is for Uganda, where music plays. Kampala is the capital, with sunny days. OPQ, we're learning to dancing, 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 just like you. Is for Vietnam, with lanterns in flight. Hanoi is the capital, glowing at night. U is for Wales, with dragons so red. Cardiff is the capital, right ahead. X marks the spot, we looked around, but no country with X can be found. Can be found, can be found. Is for Yemen, with mountains so high. Sana'a is the capital, near the sky. Z is for Zambia, where rivers roam. Lusaka is the capital, a hippo's home. Now we've sung